Hi everybody, this is Joe from Circlesplash. Today we're going to install our new 6-function shower head. Let's get started. Included in your box is Teflon tape. Teflon tape will make a watertight seal to keep your shower from leaking or spraying. Let's install it now. Be sure to install it clockwise. That's the direction your shower head will be installed. Several times around. That's all it's needed. A simple way to get more pressure from your shower head is to remove the restrictor. Very easily done with a pair of needle nose pliers. Simple as that, and you'll have more water pressure for your shower. Remember, there's no tools required. It's hand tighten only. Tightening it clockwise and not too tight.